Ningbo Jecsany Electrical Equipment Company Limited was continued the technology on high-voltage power products research and development, manufacturing and export with decades of good performance and experience. We have professional teams in the UK, South Africa engaged in power industry. In this way, Jecsany has gradually developed into a professional supplier, including power fittings, cable accessories, lightning arresters, cutouts, circuit breakers, and switchgear. Professional makes Jecsany quickly to gain customer recognition and enter the global market. While quality first is the essence of our corporate culture, we're constantly providing products that comply with international standards. With scientific management, professional engineers, well-trained technicians, and skilled workers, we're able to produce more than 2 million major high-quality electrical equipments per year. Almost all products are produced for overseas markets and exported to the United States, South Africa, Malaysia, South America, over 50 countries and regions around the world. In order to better deal with new challenges and meet customers' higher requirements, we're constantly updating and developing more products for customers. We firmly believe the business we're arranged in is not only creating value for ourselves, but also for the development of customers and human civilization. We have rich experience in product application and project support for customers. We pursuit of higher self-profession and product quality. Because of believing, so we seeing. It's the faith Jecsany will follow in the next 100 years.